All right, guys, here we go. Real quick update on Bonk, B-O-N-K, an altcoin that been the talk of the town, so to speak, lately. And I don't know anything about it, to be honest with you. And the only reason why I'm doing these videos is show you that our methodology, our way of trading stocks, crypto, oil, gold, silver, whatever, works. And we can go into any asset, trade it, make money on it on the way up, on the way down, and just want you to see some of this and, potentially check out our Patreon members group. But here we go. Obviously, you can see I put the white lines on there, a high, lower high, lower high. This was our first short position right here in the third pullback there, that high pivot. And once you lose, once we started forming this candle here, I knew we were good down to the 50 because see how it hit down here. And then we had a measured move here. It actually came out almost to that low pivot area. But anyway, once you lose one moving average, it's high odds, high probability you're going to come down to the next one. Especially on these smaller time frames. This is the hourly chart. I forgot to mention that each candle's 1 hour price action. Did a little run up and the 20 blocked it here, got over the 20, but we started losing the 20, the blue line, and then the 50 once again. And especially with this candle over here, we took the position right here on this red candle when we took out the previous one at this high pivot. And what we're thinking now, let me take all this off, clean it up for you. And this zone there. And this is a particular measured move again that our Patreon members know how to figure and measure. And it's held support a little bit and for a potential bounce. And then we would liquidate here and go back in long. But if we close under it, as you can see, we wicked under it. Right now we're full candle under it. Anyway, we lose the 20 here. We already lost the 50. The next one we go to is the 100 simple hour moving average, the gold line here. That's where we'll be going to next. So we're going to watch this, check it and see if it meets. Again, we already called the first one. We'll see if we can't call the next one. And then let's go ahead and go to the daily. And really what gave us a clue, high odds, high percentage that this was going to fail and pull back. And everything, nothing can go up, forever. That's why, we watch these things and trade them to the upside, downside, so on and so forth. And as you can see, we were putting in, and it's just knowing these just a few. If you read any candlestick book, there's like hundreds if not thousands of different candlesticks and patterns. You only need to know probably 4 or 5 to make consistent calls, consistent money. But anyway, at a potential sell-off candle here, reversal candle. And earlier, I think on the other video, we mentioned that we weren't for sure if that was just going to be a pause candle. And I'm looking for one around here, just a small opposite color candle. Then you continue the play to the upside. But anyway, it ended up being reversal. And we have an idea of where it might come down to, but that's for our Patreon members. But just looking at this thing, never traded it before, I can tell you it loves these consolidation zones. See, consolidate, breakout candle, enter, consolidate here, breakout candle, enter. There's a pivot here to the upside when you break the resistance, enter. Right up here, same thing, enter, consolidation across there, breakout, enter, consolidation, break, the game. So very simplistic, okay. There's not a million indicators on the chart. It's just looking at past history and seeing how this thing is traded. And all you need, quite honestly, by theory, methodology, is that just a handful, 3 to 5, maybe not even 5, maybe just 3 For example, if you're into stocks, stocks to play, or if in crypto, altcoins to play, and then know them well enough to know, how they're trading, what the setups are, and know them real well and concentrate on those. And there's a thing I call coin envy, where right now, yeah, Bonk is pulling back, but here we have a number of coins in our little list over here. For example, Shiba is up 15%. And there's some others that are running pretty good here. A fan favorite is ADA, so we'll go to ADA. Not sure it's ready to bounce again. It's pulling back. There's a method to figuring that out. But anyway, you're going to see as time goes on that some coins are going to be running hard, to the upside, and your coin's probably going to be down here like this. And then guess what? As soon as you get frustrated with it and done with it, and you sell, and then you go into the coin that's been running, guess what? That thing's going to start tanking, and your coin that you got out, now you're chasing it, and it's going to be running. Okay, that's just from experience. Okay, ask me how I know. Okay, because been in this game since the first quarter of 2017, and seen this happen a lot. And then ADA here, just looking at it, it loves those consolidation zones, the breakout, a little consolidation here, breakout there, right through here. I mean, and then this is and this is what I'm talking about. This consolidation zone, people hate those, especially new people, even in stocks, because there's a real tight, price range there, and they get flustered because it's not doing anything. And then all of a sudden, you get the breakouts, areas where you can add to your coin, and then you get this explosion up to the upside there. And let me see if I can find it. Price range, it's just major. See, that's where a lot of people get flustered right through here, and then you break out and just go into where we are right now, 55, percent move. Okay, I mean, there's hedge funds, mutual funds, so on and so forth, that I don't want that on there. That thrive, trying to just beat the S&P 500, and boom, anyway, you're outperforming those guys. But all right, guys, appreciate you watching. Have a great rest of your weekend, and we will see you on the charts.